Hello guys, welcome to another video on our channel with another celebrity scam. Today we have Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies for review. So what is the truth of Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies, and are there any keto gummies which is endorsed by them? In this video we will expose everything in front of you. So first of all, what is Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies? As per our findings, we saw that many ads running and using Dr. Ron Rivera name to promote keto gummies. So Dr. Ron Rivera Keto Gummies is a keto supplement that is promoted by some scammers by using fake ads and paid reviews. A lot of poor quality companies use celebrity name and their image without their consent to push the sale of their products. Well, keto gummies are keto supplement that claims to help lose weight by inducing ketosis process into the user's body. So Dr. John Rivera Keto Gummies also claims the same, and right now many poor quality brands are using his name like Bioscience Keto Gummies, which is already a Shark Tank keto scam product and exposed on our website. I have put the link in the description box too. So who is actually behind this Dr. Ron Rivera Keto Gummies? Well, this is question in all our reviews, who is behind the particular product. It helps us to find the quality, effectiveness and customer support, which is very important when we are going to buy a product. But the poor quality and scam products never tell anything, any single piece of information about them. So the same thing is applied here with the Dr. Ron Rivera Keto Gummies. There are so many products that use this term for their products, such as Bioscience Keto Gummies, Super Health Keto Gummies and so on. There are countless products, but no one revealed the information. But one thing is clear, that Dr. On Rivera does not support this product in any way. He endorsed a brand called Centro Remedio, a focus on science-based historical remedy. So there is no link between Dr. On Rivera and keto gummies. So anything that you have seen around the Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies or Bioscience Keto Gummies Dr. On Rivera and all fake, and he has no link with such products. So how does this Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummy scam take place? Well, first of all, scammers create fake endorsement ads, and you may have seen so many ads and pages around his name, but 99% of them are fake and created by scammers. Here is what we got when we searched for the Dr. On Rivera on Facebook. We found so many pages which are using his name and selling keto gummies, but all are fake, and the real Dr. On Rivera page is verified and has a blue tick. Apart from that, all are fake and created by scammers. So don't trust any page that you found on Facebook or anywhere. Most of them will scam you by selling a low grade product. One more thing, the scammers are not limited to the fake pages. They also run ads on social media, but you should avoid them until they are not run by the official pages. Here is a screenshot of the fake Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies endorsement ads. These all ads will take you to the fake page of Despierta American Show, where the Dr. On Rivera small clip is used and a fake story for a product called keto gummies. It can be any keto gummies, like we have said before. Many poor quality companies are using his name, such as Bioscience Keto Gummies and many others. Here is a screenshot of that fake page of the Despierta American Show for Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies. This page looks genuine at first, but when we notice the URL, you will know everything. The URL will tell you that the page is not real, because the Despierta American Show is telecast by Univision.com. And this URL has no link with the Univision and was just created to spread a fake hype of Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies to the buyers. The last step of this fake ad will take you to the order page of the product, and they will capture your sensitive information like personal information, and there is high chance of that they will steal your credit card details too. So be aware of such pages. There are many cases we have seen of this type of celebrity and service scam. But what about the Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies reviews? Well, there are many media publishers who posted articles with the title of Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies reviews. But let me tell you that All those reviews are fake and sponsored posts that are done by seller of and affiliates of such poor quality brand products. Here we found midday post with the title of Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies reviews, which is posted by the seller of the particular product and they pay for it to midday. Even such media publishers do not check the claim and title before publishing them, which is very shameful for such news media websites. Now we know the scam and how this scam take place, but what about the product? Are they effective or may help in weight loss? Let's check them out. What do Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies contain? Well, such product is only a keto supplement that claims to be a 100% natural supplement and use safe ingredients. However, such keto gummies do not share the full ingredient list, but two common ingredients we have seen, one BHB and second one is ACV, which is apple cider vinegar. BHB is an exogenous ketone salt that is also present in our body naturally and created when your body into the ketosis process. However, BHB is good and found effective for ketosis and support the keto diet, but sourcing BHB from this scam product is not a good idea. Are these Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies good for weight loss? We don't think that the Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies are going to help in losing weight and support ketosis, because there is nothing to believe in these claims of such keto gummies. No real satisfied customer reviews, no idea who is behind the product. But how much do Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies cost and where to buy it? These gummies cost too high to customer. The price of Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummy is normally between $59 to $80 per bottle. We do not suggest that the product is even found effective because the price and also there is a risk of losing credit card details. These products are only available on their official website, which is not accessible normally by the searching on the Google. Such sellers keep them hidden from everyone, and after some time when people found they are not effective, they instinct like they never exist and again come up with the new name. Now let's conclude this complete Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummy review. Now we know everything about that Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies, like it is a scam and nothing, the price of the product high and how they actually operate the full scam. So it is very crucial to understand that you should not believe anything that you have seen on the internet. Dr. On Rivera Keto Gummies is just a fake thing that is paid by scammers to push the sale of their low grade products and make money in a very short span of time. We always recommend doing full research and analysis before buying any product and cross checking them too. The last thing we want to say to our viewers and readers that you should be very careful at this time, like we always said, that be aware and avoid scammers. What is our best alternative to our readers? Stay away from such product and suggest consulting a professional for your weight loss issue and following a healthy diet and routine. It is good to follow the keto diet for ketosis. You can try Keto Cycle app for it. An app can provide with a good diet plan as per your need and results. To know more such scam, follow us on our social media and website too. Thanks for watching.